Hello everyone. The 2023 revival of Night Court settled the relationship between Harry and Christine from the 1,984,199 WoW series and eventually identified Gina as Abby Stone's mother. Although the Night Court revival has been well received, it has also come under fire for failing to address a number of the unsolved problems raised by the show's chaotic conclusion. Whether Judge Harry Stone and public defender Christine Sullivan ever made up and tied the knot was the most important of these queries. Many had anticipated that Abby Stone, whom the Night Court remake said would portray Abby's mother, would expose herself as the daughter of Harry and Christine, even though the reboot made no mention of Christine. After a protracted courtship, Harry and Christine were supposed to tie the knot at the finale of the first Night Court season. However, their plans were dashed by the abrupt extension of the program after Night Court Season 8 and its cancellation following Night Court Season 9. A new Night Court finale featuring Harry and Christine's wedding was created via a crossover episode with 30 Rock. There were rumors that Faith Ford would be assuming the role of an older Christine Sullivan, replacing the late Marky Post. Rather than Christine Sullivan, Ford portrays Gina Brown, an original character who had a very different connection with Harry Stone. Blood Moon Bingo, the Night Court remake episode, introduces Abby's mother Gina Brown Stone. Faith Ford plays a mother who is attempting to get Abby to resign from her work and return to upstate New York. She comes off as a caring but overly protective figure. It soon becomes clear that Gina is recognized by former prosecutor Dan Fielding, who is taken aback to learn that Gina is Abby's mother and that she married Harry Stone. After lying to Abby about meeting her father on the Ferris wheel at a harvest festival he visited while accompanying Mel Torm on tour, Gina urges Dan to stay quiet about the reality. The reality of how Gina and Harry Stone first met was uncomfortable for her, even if it was a credible scenario given Harry Stone's love of jazz and carnivals in the original Night Court. In the end, Gina told Abby the truth, admitting that she had been prosecuted by Dan Fielding in Judge Harry Stone's court for operating an illicit high-stakes poker game for more than a year. After serving her time, Gina sought up Harry because she remembered how he had handled her case with compassion and how he saw me the way I wanted to see myself. In an effort to start again, the couple got married and relocated upstate. Although the Blood Moon Bingo Night Court remake episode does not provide a precise chronology for Gina and Harry's marriage, Dan's response indicates that it had to have occurred after the original Night Court ending, when he left his job to pursue Christine. But it doesn't matter how accurate the date is. Gina and Harry's marriage implies that Harry and Christine never made an attempt to revive their romance. If Harry and Christine choose to be friends, like they did in the first Night Court Season 9 premiere, it is a far better scenario than a reignited relationship before Gina returned.